Okay, we will do more questions regarding this. Okay, in exercise 1.1, we will do the question number 2. So, C and D I think I given to you, and okay, now we will move on to the question number E. Okay, suppose it has given to us in words and we will write into the numerals. What we are given? 23,30,010. So how we will write? So you can see that it has come lakh. So lakh means if we are writing 23 lakh, suppose that is your E part, and if we are writing 23 lakh 30,000 10. Okay, like this. Now we want to write in numerals. As I told to you that 23 lakh, because lakh has come, so it means it is in Indian system. So in lakh, how many digits we have to be put in the number? How many digits we want to put in? If you are writing the lakh means after 1 there should be 5 digits is there. So here you can see that 23 lakh. Okay, so that means after the 23 there should be a 5 digits are there. That means we will like this 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. So that means that is the 23 lakh. After that we have got 30,000. So that means if we are writing the 30,000, so 30,000 means there will be come after the 30 there will be 3 digit will be left. Okay, so 1, 10, then we have got 100 and we have got 1000. That means we want to write 30,000. So that means 30 will come like this. That is 30,000. After the 30,000, what we have got? 10. 10 means, that means 1 and 10. Okay. So that means we have to be write like 1 and 0. That will become 10. And because we are not defining any number here, that means it is 0. So it means we can write this 23 0 0 1 0 1 10 100,000. Okay, then we have got 10,000. Is that clear? And 1 10 100,000 10,000 and we have got the lakh and 10 lakh. So how we are able to define this? We are able to define this like this: 23 lakh 30,000 and 10. And if you want to insert the commas, how we will insert the commas in Indian system? After 3 digit we put a comma, after 2 digit we will put the comma. So in that way we can write this 23 lakh 30,010 in that form. Is that clear? This is the numeral form. Now the question number 3 has given insert the commas and write the names according to Indian system of numeration. So if you are going to the first question, what we have given in question number 3, the first part has given to us. What the first part is suggest to us? That it has given 8 7 5 9 5 7 6 2. Okay, that is the number has given to us. Now we wish to write that what is, first of all we should insert the commas in Indian system, and after that we will write the name in Indian system. So how we are inserting the names? You can see that after the 3 digit we will insert name like this, commas, after that 2 digit we will put like that, and after that 2 digit we put like that. That means that is the Indian system. In Indian system we are putting these values. Okay, how we are write the names? We will first count the place values: 1, 10, 100, 1000, 10,000, lakh, 10 lakh, and we have got crores. Okay, so how we will write? First we will start from here. What we will write? 8 crores.
75,000.
I will say, okay? 8 crores. Then 75 lakh. 75 lakh. How we have got? 95,000. 95,000, and we are remaining is we'll write 762. 762. So that is the solution of which we have given the question number 1. Is that clear? So that is the solution. 8 crore 75 lakh 95,762. In that way we are able to pronounce this. Okay. Now the next number we have given. We will do the next number. What is the next number as given to us in question number 3? We will do the B part. Okay, we have given in a B part is, there is a B part. In B part we have given 8, 5, 4, 6, 2, 8, 3. Okay. Now what we will do first? First of all, we will insert the commas according to Indian system. So how we will put it? Right to left, put this comma, then 2 digits are there. Then we have got this 2 digit. After that we have no number, so we will not put any kind of, no digit is there, so we will not put any kind of comma is there. So how we will define this? It is 1, 10, 100, 1000, 10,000, lakh and 10 lakh. So how we will write? It is 85. So means 80 lakh plus 5. That means it is 85 lakh. Okay. So how we will write this? We will write like this. First of all we will write 80. Then includes 5. 85 lakh. After that we have to be write in thousands. So what is this? 40,000 plus 6. So it will be 46,000. So it will be write like this. 46,000. Okay. That is 46,000. After that what we have learnt in hundreds. So what we have got in 100? 283. So how we will write? After this you will write 283. So this way we will write 283. So that is your second part. In that way we will write the question in Indian system. Is that clear? Now if we move on to the next part, that is part number C. Okay, now you can see this, what we have given in part number C. In C, we have got 999, 000, 46. Okay. Now again here we will count it, that how we are getting this. So you can see that we will start from right to left. Here we put a 1 digit. After that 2 digit we will put 1 digit, and here again we put 1 comma. That means from 3 digit put a comma. After 2 digit we will put a comma. After 2 digit we will put a comma. So now we are inserting the commas. Now we will write in words. How we will write? First of all we will check out 1, 10, 100, 1000, 10,000, lakh, 10 lakh, and again it will come 9 crores. It means that whenever we are writing this numeral that will be counted from crores. Okay, so how we will write? We will write from here like 9 crore. Here is 90 lakh, so that will become 99 lakh. It will 99 lakh. Okay, up to that we have written, but here is 3 zeros are there. That means we are not writing this 9 crore 99 lakh, and after that we have zeros, 3 zeros are there. After that only number where we got only 46. So how we will write 9 crores 99 lakh 46. So we will write like this 46. Okay. So that is the order by which we can write this number in C. We just left these 3 zeros. We are not written. Why? Because we are not counting them when we are written. Okay. So in that way we can write this is the word numeral into the word form. In a similar manner we have given the D part of it. What we have given in D part? You can see we have given in a D part 984 32 701. Okay, what we have given? That number has given to us. Okay, again you will put commas here, again after 2 digit and after 2 digit. Again you can count it 1, 10, 100, 1000, 10,000, lakh, 10 lakh and crores. So similar kind of thing will be applied here, but what is the difference? Here we have seen there are the 3 zeros, but in that case we have not seen any zeros are there in between the digits. What we have seen? In that we have got the 3 zeros, but in that case we have not got any kind of zero here. Okay. So what we will do? We will start from here. How we will write? 9 crore we will write 9 crore. How much we will write? It is 84 lakh. It will be 84 lakh. After that we have got 32. So how we will write it is 32,000. It will be 32,000. And we have got 701. So we will write 700 and we will write 1. Because again you can see we have got 0 and after that only we have got 1. So that's why we are putting the name 9 crore 84 lakh 32,701. Because here is only 1 0 and we can see there in thousands we have got the 3 zeros out there. So that is the solution of question number 3. Is that clear? So all you have understand this, how we are able to written this? Is that clear? Okay. Now we will move on to the question number 4. Now this time in question number 4 what we have got, we had to be insert the commas again, but this time we had to be name and insert the commas according to the international system. In which manner? We will introduce into the international system. What is the basic difference between Indian system and international system? In international system, after the 1,000 and 10,000, we are introducing not million. After the 10,000, we are including 100,000, million and 10 million and billion. So we will write according to that. So that we have got the question number 4 and in that we will solve one by one. Okay. Okay, you can see question number 4, the first part. We have given 7892, 7892, 1092, 1092. Now in international system, from the right hand side we will put after 3 digits in a 3 pair of combination commas and digits. Okay, so how we will put it from right? If we are starting, we will put a comma here. After 3 we will start and put a comma here. Again we have not got any digit, so we will not put any comma there. Now we wish to write it which? We wish to write in international system. Okay, so in international system, if you consider 1, 10,000, 10,000, 100,000, and after 100,000 what we have got? We have got
Million.
million. So here we have got 70 million plus 8. That means it will become 78 million. So it will be 78 million. How we will write? 9 to 1. It means 921,000, because it is a 900,000 plus 21. So that will become 921,000. Because as here we have and that's 100,000. So 100,000 is not there, but it is here is 900 plus 21. So it will become 921,000. So we will write 921,000. Okay, and after that we have got in hundreds, we have got 0 here is, so what we will write? 21,092. 92. So that is the form we will write in, which we will write in international system. Next has given to us okay, we will do the C part of this. Okay, how the C part is there? D you can do yourself. Okay, we will do the C part. 999, 85, 102. Okay, we have 999, 85, 102 is there. Okay. Now again we will put the digits in pair of 3. 3, after that we are inserting the comma. After the 3 digits we are inserting the comma is there. Okay. Again if you are counting 1, 10, 100, 1000, 10,000, 100,000, million and 10 million. Okay. But we are not counting as a 10 million because it has given 99. So we will start like this. What we will write? 99 million. 99 million. Then we have got 985. So we will write 985. Okay, that we will write 985. 985. 985,000. And what we have got? 102. Okay, so we will write 102. I hope you understand this. Now we will write 99,985,102. So that is the combination we will write in question number 4 of C part. If you wish to see the next part, then we will do like that. Okay. Now we will do the D part of it. In question number 4, the D part has given to you. In D part, we have 480, 498, 49831. Okay. Again, you will see that we will start from right hand side. We are putting a comma after the 3 digits. Again, we are putting a comma after the 3 digits. Now we have got only 2 digits. We will not put any kind of comma in it. Okay. Again, how we will write in words? 1, 10, 100, 1000, 10,000, 100,000, million, and 10 million. Here we have got 40 million plus 8. That means it will become 48 million. 48 million. Here we have got the 0. So what we will write? 48 million, 49,000. Okay. And 831. So we will write like this. Okay, you can see here is 48 million and 49,000. 49 49,000 800 831. Okay, so in that way we will write the fourth question. I hope you understand all these questions.